From Thursday 12th August to Sunday 15th August 2021, 1,283 members of Atfalul Ahmadiyya converged at Remo Divisional High School, Shagamu, Ogun State, Southwest Nigeria for the annual Ijtima. Atfalul Ahmadiyya are young male members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community between the ages of 7 and 15. The event, which is organized by the Majlis Khudam al-Ahmadiyya, is held annually in different parts of the country for the purpose of propagating the peaceful message of Islam and to impact the true teachings of Islam to the boys. The 4-day event witnessed several events ranging from lectures, educational and sporting competitions, and many more. Some of the educational events held are Quran memorization competition, Qasida memorization competition, message delivery, speech contest, and quiz competition. While the sporting events include football, athletics, taekwondo, table tennis, power pool, Scrabble, arm wrestling, and many more. The hallmark of the Ijtima was a symposium held on Saturday. The program was chaired by the Amir Sahib Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Nigeria, Al-Hajj Alatayi Falangusha Aziz, ably represented by the National Ta'limul Quran and Waqf Ardi Secretary, Brother Abdul Hakim Akitobi Sahib, who was also the guest lecturer at the symposium. Before the commencement of the symposium, there was a march-past event that featured about 7 different states present at the Ijtima. The symposium started with recitation from the Holy Quran by Hafiz Afijo Abdullah Sahib and chanting of an Arabic poem by Oshinawa Irfan Sahib. A lecture on the theme of the Ijtima, Muhammad, our role model, was then delivered by Brother Akintobi Sahib. He started by delivering a message from Amir Sahib to the ecstatic audience. In the message, Amir Sahib mentioned that the theme of the Ijtima coincides with the theme of the just concluded Jalsa Salana UK 2021. He therefore encouraged participants to emulate the beautiful model of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Brother Akintobi Sahib in his lecture also buttressed on this point and mentioned that the life of the Holy Prophet ﷺ is a perfect example for everyone, whether young or old, as he was an embodiment of perfect moral qualities. Questions were later entertained from the participants, and answers were given accordingly by the scholars in attendance. Some of the government functionaries present at the event also addressed the august occasion. They were as well presented literatures of the Jamaat at the end of the symposium. The Ijtima was concluded on Sunday with awards presented to participants who performed excellently at the various educational and sporting activities.
When I was directed by the permanent secretary to attend this program, I didn't expect less. I've known Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'ah and Ahmadiyya movement for a very long time. Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'ah and Ahmadiyya movement have been performing wonderfully well in Dawah program in Nigeria, and have been propagating Islam well, taking Islam to the grassroots, taking Islam to rural areas. They've translated Arabic texts to many languages, including the Quran and so many books of Islam.
This is a very memorable event, and I want to say that I'm giving it to Ahmadiyya Mission because I am seeing a very large turnout of children, and children are our heritage, and they stand as the future of Islam. And I'm happy that Ahmadiyya is doing it right, bringing all these young ones together to educate them, to give them values. And in fact, as far as I'm concerned, Ahmadiyya has invested so much in education, and I want to applaud this effort of Ahmadiyya Mission. They should not relax. They should keep the flag flying.
This news report is reaching you from MTA Nigeria Studios.